This here is an AI ad, and this is too. Now at our agency, we ship hundreds of ads weekly, many of them being also made by AI. Up until recently, we've been only using AI ads for animation ads like these, because whatever we tried, we just still found those AI realistic ads way too AI looking. But recently we've actually found a way to produce ads like these that come dangerously close to authentic content. See, the problem with AI ads is that usually no matter what you try, you get some kind of weird plastic looking character or stock footage looking characters, and on top it glitches sometimes, it hallucinates, and you need to regenerate scene over scene over scene just to get something partially useful. Maybe you've tried JSON prompting because that way you can define specific details, but you probably still found that the output still looks kind of like AI slop. Now we've got the breakthrough with how to actually create realistic AI ads, and it is actually not a prompting problem. You can have the longest prompts, you can have super specific prompts, it does not matter. And the reason for that is that AI looks at what exactly you describe. For example, a street interview scene of a person just being outside and talking and interviewing people, and then it looks for references. It looks for the average reference. So it goes on Google, maybe not Google, but just for simplicity, let's say Google. It searches online, it finds interview imagery, and then within that there's also of course a lot of stock footage. So it takes the stock footage of an interviewer, then it takes the stock footage of a street, then it takes the stock footage of an interviewee, and then all it does is animate that. So if you prompt even in a lot of detail, you will basically prompt super detailed stock footage animated. And this is why it looks so plastic, this is why it looks so unrealistic. Now, as I already mentioned before, we realized this is actually not a prompting issue. The issue is exactly this. So since the problem is the AI finding stock footage and animating that for you, the solution is simply to cut this step and give it realistic footage. Footage that's not in perfect quality, perfect lighting, but actually has those imperfections that make it look real. And the recently released AI video generation model CEDENSE 2 allows you to do exactly that. Let me show you how to do that. So the software I'm using for this is Max Fusion. You can also use Higgsfield or anything that gives you access to CEDENSE 2.0. All you need to do is go here on generating a video, then you select videos, CEDENSE 2.0 as the model, and what you want to do here is simply giving a very simple prompt. It's not about giving all the details, it's more so about giving it reference. So we say generate a street interview similar to this reference. And now the crucial part is to actually give a reference. What you can do is scroll on TikTok, scroll on Instagram. I, for example, found this street interview, so I downloaded this clip. The software asked me to make the reference clip maximum 15 seconds long, so you just need to go and cut it. Here it is, we take 15 seconds of that, we delete the rest, and then we export this. The reference is done, so all we do now is upload a reference video. So this video now gets uploaded into here, and then the way you refer to it is simply by referring to its tag. You can see it's called here add video 1, so you just say add video 1, and now you're referring to this video. Now this is good, and now you can give it more details. To not literally clone real people without their consent, you can move forward and say swap the interviewer and the interviewee with these two people. And again, all you need to do is to upload a static reference, either of a creator that gave you their rights, or a very realistic nano-banana generation of a person that doesn't exist. And once you've uploaded the reference, you can again refer with a tag to that. Now after this, you obviously also want to prompt the genuine reactions, the real emotions, the actual script. So what does the interviewer ask and how do they react? And if you have anything that's different from your first reference video, you just want to give it a new reference for this specific scene or for this specific reaction to make the AI actually execute it correct and not again default to the stock footage that it finds online. Like this, you build your script piece by piece, scene by scene, and eventually once you generate it, you will have a realistic AI clip like this, which is up to 15 seconds long. Of course, after that, if it's a longer ad, you might want to create the middle part and the end part of the ad as well. Let's say it's 45 seconds long, then you will need 3 generations, and maybe you will need to cut in between, but once you are done, you'll get an end result like this. Now this is something I use for street interviews, for podcasts, for things that really take time and creators might be hard to find for. I do not recommend running only these ads, even though it's tempting, because a trained eye will still see that it's all just AI, and you don't want to lose credibility and trust into your brand. You want to show that real people actually love it, and you need to show that your product is actually working for real people. That is why even if AI can generate realistic clips, AI is always only a part of the creative strategy, not the entire creative strategy, and should never be your only pillar in your ad library. Now, if you'd like to see what other ad formats will help you reach creative diversity and are performing really well right now, check out also the link video. I explain it in detail there. And if you want me to help you scale on Meta and help with your entire ad creative production, media buying strategy and funnel strategy, click the first link in the description. If your brand qualifies and we are a great fit, I will audit your entire strategy, find the holes, find the opportunities to scale, and prepare a plan of how we can get your brand to your next target. Keep scaling. Bye.